Hey guys, another version of Rally Car Kiddie ride. This unit's faulty again. Watch this when I press this.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Are you
See?
ready? Hold tight.
It's faulty again.
Here we go.
I'm not sure why. I've just done it to activate the credit. If this back doesn't work again. Did this one as well.
Thank you.
But for some reason that's where you press the thank you button. Yeah. Shows over there. Made by Northern Ayrshire in 2018. Under no licence. I already filmed Steve Amos over there. Oh, stay there. Shame the button. Shame two of the buttons don't even work on this unit. They're my favourite buttons.
Don't forget.
I've got another ride, surprisingly. Not from Northern Ayrshire, MK2, dark green, rally car kiddie ride. Side to Lakeside Shopping Centre in Grays.